I'm thinking about our summer holiday. Do you want to travel this year?
I'm not sure. Maybe it's better to stay nearby.
How about the children?
I'm not sure. I think they feel the same.
Does Sarah like long trips?
No, she doesn't. She gets bored quickly.
And does Adam enjoy busy places?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't like noise.
Do they like the beach?
Yes, they do, but they don't like crowds.
So we don't want a very crowded place.
No, we don't. It's too stressful.
What about flying? The kids don't mind it, do they?
No, they don't, but I don't like flying.
That's true. And we don't have much time.
Exactly. We only have 1 week.
Does Sarah like hotels?
No, she doesn't. She prefers small places.
And does Adam sleep well in new places?
No, he doesn't always sleep well.
So maybe a small house is better.
Yes, I think so. It sounds calmer.
We don't need to fly, we can drive.
Yes, we can. And the kids don't complain then.
So a quiet place, short travel, and no crowds.
Yes, that works for us.